Hi friends, all for art and art for all. We're going to be doing a fishbowl on a table in front of a window in the style of Henri Matisse. So the first thing we want to do is anchor our bowl. So let's make a big foreshortened circle up at the top and another foreshortened circle below that. Now let's connect the sides of the bowl. Come out generously wide and come out generously wide. I'm going to double connect my line because I made a little bit of a mistake over there, so I'm going to kind of make a double line for my bowl. And now we're going to put another circle in between for the top of the water. And then a couple of fish up, over, down. I like to do things in threes when I'm doing things in art. So I'm going to put a third fish over here. Now I'm going to put my fishbowl on a table. Now I'm going to draw some legs straight down from my table. I'm going to put an extra little side to my table legs. Now I'm going to do the window. So I'm going to come across and hit the table with two lines. And then I'm going to go up from my fishbowl with two lines. What's down here is curtains. So this can have a pattern on it that I can paint. And outside, I can paint some hills. Now I'm going to get ready to get my paints. I'm going to go ahead and do some green. For the hillside. For outside the window. Then I'm going to go ahead and do some blue for the water in my fishbowl. Carefully going around my fish, which I'll paint red. I'm going to paint a greenish blue for my table. So I'm going to mix some green and some blue together. And then I'm going to put a darker stripe of blue on one side of the legs. Now in between I'm going to paint some yellow. And it's coming out looking a little green because I have some blue still on my brush, and that's okay. And I'm going to do my windowsill. I'm going to do the top of my water. I forgot to do the top of my water. And then maybe a little bit of green would show through because the fishbowl is clear. Now I'm going to do kind of an orange for the curtains. I'm going to get a lot of yellow on my brush first, and then just a touch of red. Now some blue for the sky behind the hills. And there we have it, a fishbowl in the style of Matisse. All for art and art for all.